Hi, this is Norbert, Multihulls. Today we are in front of the new Aquila 46 yacht. Hi, this is Norbert, Multihulls. We are in Saint Raphael on board the new Aquila 46 yacht with Alain Ross.
Hello.
So Alain, tell us a little bit about the huge particularity of this new Aquila 46 yacht.
Yeah, we're excited with the Aquila 46 yacht. She's new to market. This is obviously hull number one, designed by VPLP. And so she brings a lot to the market, following on the heels of our 50 yacht. So she's got the new Explorer look, which allows us to have a full beam master cabin. Almost one level. We have two steps going down into each sponson in the master cabin. And then in this layout that we're on board now, this is our standard layout, which is a 3 cabin. So you have 2 guest cabins and then 1 primary cabin. Each cabin has an ensuite head. The model that we're on here is powered by D4 Volvo 480s. Standard come the Volvo D4 320s, and then there's also an additional option to go with the Yanmar 550s. What's really nice about the Aquila 46 yacht is that she is foil capable. So it's something that Aquila really invests a lot of effort into, is making an efficient boat along with VPLP, the underwater dynamics of the boat, making it very efficient. But when you pair that with the foil, covering a lot of ground, being very efficient, low on fuel consumption, but also maintaining your relative cruise speed and having less load on your engines is super important to Aquila. From a cosmetic or lifestyle standpoint on board the boat, you have a tremendous size flybridge. We also have a very generous aft cockpit, and then our salon area is very complimentary also for any sort of lifestyle. On the bow of the boat, we've got some beautiful sun loungers. So if you're at anchor like we are here, or if you're underway, there's plenty of social zones on board the boat.